Hello and welcome to this session. In this particular module, we'll be learning about magnetic particle test. The objectives we will achieve during the completion of this module as stated.
Inspect welded components for surface defect using magnetic particle test. Locate and mark the place of defect.
Magnetic particle testing (MPT) is one of the most widely used non-destructive inspection methods for locating surface or near surface defects or flaws in ferromagnetic materials and well metal. MPT, also known as magnetic testing (MT), and magnetic particle inspection (MPI). MPI is simple, easy, fast, and very effective. This is the reason the magnetic particle test is used in a variety of industries like automotive, oil, and gas construction. MPT method is limited to magnetic materials such as steels and cast iron. It cannot be used with such non-magnetic materials as the stainless steels, aluminum, and copper. Surface preparations. All surfaces and adjacent areas within 1 inch that will be examined must be free from rust, scale, sand, grease, paint, slag, oily films, or other interfering conditions. Equipments. The following equipments are needed to perform MPT method. Electric power set, electromagnetic yoke, electric power is required, magnetic particles for dry and wet methods, post cleaning by brush or solvent. The magnetization technique can be longitudinal, circular, or multidirectional magnetization. Magnetic flux leakage. It depends on the fact that when the material or part under test is magnetized. Magnetic discontinuities that lie in a direction generally transfers to the direction of magnetic field will cause a leakage field to be formed above the surface of the part. The presence of this leakage field and the discontinuity is detected by finely divided ferromagnetic particles applied over the surface, with some of the particles being gathered and held by the leakage field. Today, establishment of a magnetic field in a weld most commonly entails the use of an electromagnetic yoke. Yokes can be energized with either AC electricity or DC. Longitudinal magnetization is produced in this method. Types of magnetic particles. The iron particles may be in the form of a dry powder, dry method, or they may be suspended in a liquid carrier, wet method. Magnetic powders may be applied dry or wet. The dry powder method is popular for inspecting heavy weldments available in various colors, not suitable for vertical welds. The wet method is more sensitive than the dry method because it allows the use of finer particles that can detect exceedingly fine defects. Testing procedure. Clean the weld joint. Magnetize the weld by passing an electric current. Apply the magnetic particles simultaneously with the magnetizing force. Maintain the prod or yoke leg spacing and position with sufficient overlap in the X pattern. After removal of excess particles, the residual particles trapped in the leakage field of a defect reveal the location, shape, and size of a detectable discontinuity. Interpret and evaluate the test result for any relevant indication. Demagnetize the tested part and perform the post-cleaning. Demagnetization. It is accomplished by subjecting the part to a field equal to or greater than that used to magnetize part, then continuously reversing the field direction while gradually decreasing it to zero. Post-clean the tested surface by use of compressed air to blow out unwanted dry magnetic particles. Drying of wet particles, then removal by brushing or compressed air. Removal of wet particles by flushing with solvent. The testing is to be conducted in a proper lighted area. Electrical short circuits can cause shock and particularly burns from the high amperage to relatively low voltage that are used. Calibration of the yoke. Calibrate the magnetizing equipment prior to use. The DC yoke must lift a 14 to 15 kg certified test weight to ensure the strength requirements. In this module, we have learned about different magnets and establishment of a magnetic field, application and types of magnetic particles, demagnetization. This brings us to the end of this session. Hope you have understood all the concepts. See you in the next session.